Homeward Bound Daily Devotional by Alan G. White. Eden Restored, December 20th. And I saw a new heaven and a new earth, for the first heaven and the first earth were passed away. Revelation chapter 21, verse 1. The Garden of Eden remained upon the earth long after man had become an outcast from its pleasant paths. The fallen race were long permitted to gaze upon the home of innocence, their entrance only barred by watching angels. At the cherubim-guarded gate of paradise, the divine glory was revealed. Hither came Adam and his sons to worship God. Here they renewed their vow of obedience to that law, the transgression of which had banished them from Eden. When the tide of iniquity overspread the world, and the wickedness of men and women determined their destruction by a flood of water, the hand that had planted Eden withdrew it from the earth. But in the final restitution, when there shall be a new heaven and a new earth, Revelation chapter 21 verse 1, it will be restored more gloriously adorned than at the beginning. Then they that kept God's commandments shall breathe in immortal vigor beneath the tree of life, and through the unending ages the inhabitants of sinless worlds shall behold in that garden of delight a sample of the perfect world of God's creation, untouched by the curse of sin, a sample of what the whole earth would have become had mankind but fulfilled the Creator's glorious plan. Pain cannot exist in the atmosphere of heaven. In the home of the redeemed, there will be no tears, no funeral trains, no badges of mourning. The inhabitants shall not say, I am sick. The people that dwell therein shall be forgiven of their iniquity. Isaiah chapter 33, verse 24. One rich tide of happiness will flow and deepen as eternity rolls on. The time has come to which God's people have looked with longing since the flaming sword barred the first pair from Eden. The time for redemption of the purchased possession. Ephesians chapter 1 verse 14. The earth originally given to mankind as their kingdom, betrayed by them into the hands of Satan, and so long held by the mighty foe, has been brought back by the great plan of redemption. All that was lost by sin has been restored. God's original purpose in creation of the earth is fulfilled as it is made the eternal abode of the redeemed. This is your daily devotional. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the comments section for further study notes. Homeward Bound.